Hi guys, welcome back to this new YouTube video. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to do a villa tour since I'm leaving Bali in a little bit more than 10 days now. I wanted to show you the house I'm living in at the moment because it's a very beautiful house, and I know that so many of you are actually coming to Bali at the moment and you are looking for places to stay in. You might be curious about how they actually look inside, because I know when you look at the pictures it never looked the same as in videos, you know. So just to let you know, it's a 4-bedroom house and I'm currently living in one of the rooms, so I live with other people. The house is still under renovation, so you have things that are not fully ready yet, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you that now. So this is the entrance. So you have a parking lot to put your bikes, and this is the door that you come through in. This is the house, and then you have the first room that is a little bit outside of the house. So someone is currently living in at the moment, but he told me that it was okay, that I could record his place. So you have a small closet, AC. If you've never been to Bali before, you'll know that this will be your best friend. A mirror, we love a good mirror. You have the bed here, then you have a sitting area, and then you have the bathroom. And you have a shower as well as a bath, and I love the aesthetic of the bath. It's so cute, just very basic, very simple, but also very beautiful. It looks luxurious, you know. All right, now let me show you the inside of the house. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the best part of the house. You can come in. So I'm presenting you Poupette, who is the dog. She's very nice, but she doesn't like men. Only women. But she's a very nice dog. So when you come in, you have the kitchen. It's fully furnished, so you have all of the appliances that you need. You have a oven, you have a toaster, you have everything. And it's the best part because in Bali, it's super rare to actually have a kitchen, first of all, and then with all the appliances. So then you have a small dining area and a living room. And as I told you also at the beginning of the video, the house is not fully finished yet, so it's gonna be ready in June. So that's why the couch is like this, you know, but then they're gonna put some cushion on it to make it look more comfortable. And also you have a room here, a bedroom with a bathroom. I cannot show you inside because somebody is living here. And you have a table. And the view is the best part. You have the views of the rice fields. It's very quiet actually. You cannot hear anything. So now I'm going to show you my room upstairs, so you can come. So upstairs you have 2 bedrooms, one here and one here. They're absolutely identical. So I'm going to show you mine. Welcome to my room. As you can see, it's very bright, very open, very white. That's what I like, to have some light, you know, during the days. And you have a huge walk-in closet, which if you're a woman, you're gonna relate to that part. It's the best part ever. Let me show you. You can come in. Inside you have so much space to put your clothes. It's a bit messy. And then you have the bathroom, which is also very nice. as you can see, it's what I love the most. Actually, you can see sunset from here. I will include some shot that I did of the sunset because it's beautiful from here. Who pays? And for my Frenchies, you have a pétanque. How to say that? It's a.
That's what this is.
Pétanque.
Yeah, the game.
It's a French game with the big metal balls.
With the big balls?
With the big balls.
Yes.
So that's cool. That's very, very French. We love that. We never play, but I think we should do, maybe once. And you have a barbecue to cook some meats, cook some veggies, seafood, whatever. So it's a nice house if you want to organize barbecues or parties. The garden is huge. And finally, the best part, the pool. I don't even know how many meters is the pool, but it might be like 6 meters, something like this. So we are waiting for sunbeds to come soon, right before I leave. Amazing timing. And yeah, that's this chilling area, and you have the view of the rice field over there. So it's very nice because you can see the farmers. Come on, poupette! Yeah, you can also see the house from here. Thanks to Rav, by the way.
Videographer today.
Videographer, also YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel over here so you can see. So thanks
Nice to see you
for
guys.
helping me today.
It's really beautiful place.
Yeah, it's beautiful, actually. So I know you will want to know the price of this place. And I cannot give you a definite price, but I can give you a range of price. The house is gonna be ready next month. It's gonna be rented out for around 60 million rupiah. So it's a bit pricey actually, but it's a beautiful house with so many beautiful features. So it's worth the price. And if you come with friends, it's better because you can divide the expenses. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you liked it. If you did, you can put a like or you can put a comment. Tell me how you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, hopefully in the Philippines very soon. Bye guys.